Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $21,485. 24-hour volume, we are down 21%, and market cap, we are up 0.98%. Heading over to the chart here, you guys, as my normal videos, we're going to cover 4 time frames here for 1 week, 1 day, 2 hours, and then 30 minutes. So starting off with our weekly chart here, we can see the RSI has initiated a buy opportunity here on our weekly term. However, I do want to show you a potential bearish head and top reversal pattern here, which is again a head and shoulders. So we've got our left shoulder, our head, and then a potential right shoulder here. So if price is going to come up again, because our RSI is showing a buying opportunity here, and we see the histograms of our MACD indicator in the green, we may get rejected up here at 22,374. And if that does happen in a long term for our weekly chart, then we need to retest our neckline at the $19,237. So roughly around this range here. Let's monitor this for the next couple of weeks to see if we do get rejected from this line. It is ultimately going to create the right shoulder. As we can see, the volume itself right now so far is 12,000. So we are anticipating to retest this area of resistance. And again, if we do get rejected, it may be a potential reversal pattern of the bearish head and shoulders chart pattern itself. So heading over to our daily chart, you guys, we can see we have broken through our trend line that was making a lot of higher lows with our swing low candlesticks here. I'm going to zoom up so it's easier for you guys to see, and we can see a huge stride in our volume at 39,000 trades that we ended yesterday. As the price is coming up, we have moved through our 20 MA and is going to retest the 50 MA anytime soon as it's retracing closer to the 21,900. If we take a look at the RSI here at 95%, we are considered to be overbought, but until we can see that crossover initially, then we would have a sell signal, especially near this resistance line. So on a daily time frame, you guys, I am going to anticipate that Bitcoin is going to retest the 50 MA. And at the very outskirts here, this is a high confluence area, meaning a lot of people are going to be taking a look at this area. Simply put, there was a lot of rejection around August 24th here as the RSI signaled a sell opportunity at the high overbought signal. The MACD indicator here, we've got 2 so far of the greens, which is looking good. Again, we do ideally want the 2 lines above the 0% initiating in this overall trend, and we are going to retest that 50 MA. Heading over to a 2-hour time frame, you guys, we can see I have it laid out here for you. We do see that the price has been hitting resistance and coming down to support, automatically consolidating sideways. And what we know about sideways price action is one side is going to ultimately win, either the bulls up here at the 21,500 or the bears down here for a area of support of 21,141. There are really not an area of convergence when we take a look at our fib chart. We are ultimately going to keep our eye around the area of support as it is near our 20 MA. The RSI does show that we are at 55% of our K line and 27% of our D line, which essentially shows that price can continue to come up. However, we may experience some pullbacks because we see our MACD indicator here showing a lightness in color. However, if we do see an expansion on the 2-hour time frame of our orange signal line and our blue line itself, then it is going to increase the momentum on the bear side. But we do anticipate or assume that they are going to come to a close, meaning we are going to close above this resistance line. And then lastly here for our 30-minute time frame, you guys, we have an area of convergence or close to an area of convergence as the pump for Bitcoin continues to come up. Look at these lovely, lovely candles, essentially almost a 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern, as the bodies of this one, this candle, and this candle is similar in size, and that's the characteristics of 3 white soldiers, which is a bullish pattern itself. We can take a look again. We are considered to be overbought, simply put, at the very top of this Bollinger Band. As soon as we touch it, we do look like we are overbought. And if we take a look closer to yesterday at the end once we touched this top of the Bollinger Band and the RSI initiated a sell order, price retraced downwards. So if we take a look at the RSI currently right now, we are at 98% for our K line and D line 87%, which is this pink line. As soon as we see that cross over and kind of pinch in together, you guys, we are going to get rejected around here. There could possibly be more wiggle room for the price to come up at 21,600. However, in a different time frame that we saw, 21,500, roughly around that $590 was our cap of a resistance. So we may come back down. We do have almost an area of convergence here where price may want to lead to. As we are coming down and retracing down is closer to the 50% of our fib, closer to the golden number of 61%, which is 21,400. We can see it laid out here as the histograms. If you take a look at the MACD indicator here, we are above 0%, which does look pretty good. We do see 1, 2, 3, 4 histogram bars itself, very strong in the size, and we can see that the spaces in between these two lines are further apart. So anticipate for Bitcoin to continue to come up. However, be prepared for that pullback because this is a huge surge of this market. The price is going to be coming up. We are going to anticipate that pullback. Depending on how shallow that pullback may be, we want to make sure we are staying within this support area zone of 21,100. So that is my video for Bitcoin, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and comment down below to support my channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.